Picking them, we pick one by hands, like this. We're choosing the yellow one and the red. The yellow and red, this one is right. We can pick, and then we go to put in the machine for putting the shell. We always we leave there. So one of you want to roll in this to peel.
Okay.
Yeah. And the one go. It's a bit hard, but go. Go. Yes, you can see. Yeah. Then run. So the coffee goes through to the water, and we put in the water for only 1 day. Why? To removing the slime. You see right now slimy, slippery. We put in the water 1 day, then we come and wash. But before washing, here is the place you can know the good coffee and bad coffee. Okay. Like you can see the floating, that's a bad coffee. It's less heavy, less density inside. So we take the bad one, we wash the good one, then we go to dry. We dry them in the sun for 4 weeks. Then is how we get like this one. This is a dried one. We also use like a manure, like a fertilizer to the farm, to fertilize banana, to fertilize coffee, yams, potato, a lot of things we fertilize there. Yes. So after dry this, as I told you, we need to remove the second shell. How to
Tanzania, Tanzania, baby boy, Tanzania, pita, Kilimandjaro, Matengo Highlands,
they will still alive like this.
Arabica, coffee, people,
Tatu kanga, kanga ne kanga tano kanga sunda boy, kanga moja, kanga mbele, kanga sema kanga rubo kanga meki kuke pusuo ogelaje jameja kuni nyaku ogelaje jameja dikundi mangonzi ogelaje jameja kawa yoyo ogelaje jameja keungu ogelaje jameja ogelaje jameja ogelaje jameja ogelaje jameja Materuni, Kilimandjaro, we got to grind to get the powder. Where's the grinder machine? This is our grinder machine. Here. We're gonna grind to get the powder. Saga, saga, people, saga, Kilimandjaro, Mocharamia, saga, good number, saga, saga, kuna matata, saga, wewe, saga, sema, saga, gereza, saga. Arabica. We go to grind this one more time. Ogela, je gameja, ogela, je gameja, sunda imba, ogela, je njakoru, ogela, je gameja. Papayam, watermelon. use it.